Book of the Dead?
Yeah, Walter's been reading up on psychic connections.
In the Tibetan teachings, the near-death experiencer can often converse with those who have already died.
What do you think?
Well, I think it makes a hell of a coaster. What do I think about what happened to Lisa? I don't think she's alive because God changed his mind.
I'm just waiting to see if lightning strikes you.
Yeah. I mean, who am I to say? Maybe there is actually something to it. People are free to believe whatever they want, right? Lisa's mother certainly does. However, until I see it with my own eyes, I'm gonna put my money on healthy skepticism. You're obviously a believer.
My mother believed in God, but all the praying in the world didn't stop my stepfather from terrorizing her. And her faith just seemed to put her in harm's way. I'm worried that Lisa's mother is going to do the same thing. Dunham. Hello?
Agent Dunham, it's Lisa Donovan.
Lisa? Are you okay?
It hasn't stopped. I'm seeing him again. Andrew Rusk.
Where's your mother?
She's at home, but I'm not. I had to come here. I keep seeing this place.
Okay, well, where are you?
Lisa?
Lisa? Where are you? Olivia! Hey. You all right?
He was here.
Who was here?
I could see him.
Andrew Rusk.
There's someone else. Another man. He has a gun.
Lisa?
He shot him. He killed him. He killed Andrew Rusk.
Lisa, do you know the other man? Did you see his face?
No.
But you're sure that they were here?
Yes.
Olivia, found a 9mm shell casing.